Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm doing look number 7 with the Wet n Wild Always Naked palettes. And I wanted to do a look today that was a more wearable everyday makeup look. This is just a beautiful warm toned look. So if you would like to see how to do this, let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. So first I'm just gonna apply my Milani eyeshadow primer. So I just put a little bit down on my eyelids and then I go with a brush to blend that out. I'm gonna grab some of this shade and I'm using this blending brush that I got out of an Amazon brush set. So I'll have that set linked down below, but I'm just gonna blend this color in the crease. It's kind of focusing it a little bit out here in the outer V, just kind of pulling that shade up. I'm gonna take some of this color here and I'm just putting it on that same brush. And I'm gonna blend the shade all over the eyelid. And also kind of take it up into the crease a little bit. I'm going back with like a clean blending brush. This is just the Sigma E25. And I'm gonna blend around the edge, make sure it's blended out. Then I'm taking some of the matte cream and I'm going to blend that as my brow bone highlights and also take a little bit more of that and put it here in the inner corner as well. For the blush, I'm just using the Wet n Wild Color Icon in Mellow Wine. I think that this blush pairs really well with that Always Naked palette, but this is just one of my favorite go-to blushes. Okay, and then for bronzer, I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This has just been one of my favorite go-to bronzers right now. And I'm just using the Sigma F30 to apply this, which is my favorite bronzer brush. And for my highlight today, I think I'm going to use the Becca Smashbox times Becca in Opal. Such a gorgeous highlight. I love this one. It's one of my all-time favorites. And then for my setting spray, I'm just using the Scandinavia Makeup Finishing Spray, the bridal one. Off camera, I went ahead and did my mascara and I just used the Maybelline Sky High in True Brown, which is my favorite brown mascara. I just think it looks so pretty and natural. I just love that one. So for the lips, I want to wear one of my favorite everyday lipsticks. So I'm going to take this lip conditioner that I had on my lips off. I was just using the Vaseline Rosy Lips, the one that's in the tub. And I'm just going to kind of go around my lips, make sure I didn't wipe off any foundation. But my favorite, one of my favorite everyday lips is the Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink in the shade Peppy. So I'm just going to shake this up. It's a really pretty warm nude and it pairs really nicely with that blush. So that is this makeup look done. I think this is a gorgeous, like everyday warm toned makeup look. I'm planning to do one more look with this Wet n Wild Always Naked palettes. I haven't decided if I'm going to do any more looks with it, but I want to do like my final look I want to do with the glitter in this palette because I have yet to use that. But honestly, there are so many other looks you could do with this palette than I forget how many I've done so far. I think it'll be like 8 total or something like that. But anyway, if you would like to see the other looks that I have done with this palette, I'll have the playlist linked above in the cards or like down below in the description box. So I hope that you guys have a great day and I will see you all in Saturday's video. Bye-bye. Mwah.